friends. Today I came up with another interesting story. The dog's friend. It is an old saying that the dog is a man's best friend. But have you ever wondered who a dog's best friend is? This is a story of a lonely pet dog who found an unusual friend. The Gardner family had a little daughter, Edna. On her 4th birthday, she was gifted a little pug. They named him Battery because the little dog would tirelessly follow Edna everywhere. But one day, Edna met with an accident and had to be hospitalized. Everyone was busy with Edna for many days. Battery was left alone. He would stare at walls and roam around the house. Nothing helped until one morning a little bird at the window offered him a worm. Battery did not eat the worm but liked the bird's kindness. Soon they became the best of friends. They greeted Edna together. When she got well and came back from the hospital, little Edna was very happy to have another new friend. If you like the story, please like, share and subscribe.